The Police Unity Tour was started in 1997 by Officer Pat Montour of the Florham Park Police Department with the purpose to raise awareness and funds for survivors of fallen law enforcement officers. That year, they had 18 riders and raised $18,000. We are now in our 27th year, and we are still led by now retired Chief Montour. We have over 2,500 members that come from all over the world, and the Police Unity Tour donates over $2 million a year to the National Law Enforcement Officers Fallen Memorial Fund.
I will always stand with you guys. You always have my support, and I pray for you, and I hope you have a safe ride and continue to do what you do, because you have no idea the impact that you have made on my life. To know that he will never be forgotten, that's all I want. I don't want Melvin to be forgotten, because his sacrifice is greater than all of us could ever imagine.
This year, the Police Unity Tour takes on a special significance, as it always does, to remember and pay homage and respect to the brave men and women we've lost over the years. We must keep their legacy alive and never forget their courage, their dedication, and their families. We also remember those who have been injured and traumatized in the line of duty and those who are still wearing the uniform. Let us remember their service and dedication to their communities and show our respect and gratitude for all that they have done and that they are still doing.